Hello everyone, welcome to the Wodely video tutorial. In this video, I'll be giving you an overview of how to get started with route optimization for your delivery business. Right now, we're on the map page of the Dispatcher web portal. From here, you can visualize your entire delivery operation in a single map view. Each pin on the map represents a pickup or drop-off task. To add new tasks in the bulk, click Import Tasks at the top right corner. You can import tasks from a pre-filled spreadsheet and submit them to the system. Once imported, all new unassigned tasks will appear as gray pins on the map. Creating optimized routes is very easy. The first thing you'll do is select tasks from the map to optimize your route. There are many ways to select tasks. You can select unassigned tasks using the checkboxes in the right sidebar, or simply click Select All to choose all unassigned tasks on the page. Alternatively, hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag your mouse across the map to select a group of tasks on the map. You can also hold the Control key and left-click individual markers to select or deselect specific tasks. Click Unselect button at the top to unselect all tasks. Additionally, you can create multiple delivery zones on the map. During route optimization, you can quickly select all tasks within a selected delivery zone and then optimize and allocate tasks to the designated drivers. Once your tasks are selected, click Create Route button at the top. It will show a route optimization configuration screen. First, enter or select the route start location, typically your warehouse or dispatch hub. This marks the point where drivers begin their delivery route. You may also specify a route end location, such as the warehouse or the driver's home address. If the start and end locations are the same, the route will form a loop. Alternatively, you can leave the end location blank by selecting No End Location or Anywhere. Next, set the route start date and time. This can be scheduled for any point in the future. The system will use the start time to calculate the ETA for each task along the route. You can further refine the route using available configuration options. You can set a due time for each job and enable the time restriction. The system will try to optimize the route so deliveries meet their required time windows. You can also add multiple planned time breaks, such as lunch or coffee breaks, into the route. These breaks are factored into ETA calculations to give a more accurate and realistic delivery schedule. There are some more configuration options. You can define the capacity value for each task, as well as the vehicle capacity of each driver. Route optimization will ensure assigned tasks do not exceed a driver's capacity. Now, let's look at the skill match feature. Some delivery tasks may require special skills or equipment, such as refrigerated vehicles or dangerous goods license. This option ensures that tasks will only be assigned to drivers who meet those requirements. Lastly, choose how to allocate tasks. You can assign delivery tasks by quantity. Each driver gets a set number of the jobs. Or choose Allocate tasks by working hours. If you pay drivers hourly in this mode, each driver is scheduled for a set number of hours. Once you're ready, hit Optimize Route and allocate tasks to finalize. In just a few seconds, Wodely generates the most efficient routes. Here, you can see two optimized routes assigned to two different drivers. By default, markers are colored by task status, but dispatchers can switch to show different colors by team member instead. To view a driver's route, click their profile. Each task marker displays its sequence number, showing the route sequence numbers in which tasks must be completed. Drivers should follow the sequence to complete tasks one by one. The planned route direction lines are shown on the map. On the side panel, you will also see live ETA for each task. You can also manually adjust routes by dragging tasks to reorder them. After rearranging, click Recalculate ETA to update the schedule. At the top toolbar, you'll find important route details such as driver name, total distance, time required to complete the route. You can also re-optimize the route, recalculate ETA, print run sheets, shipping labels, and delivery documents. One of the key features is the ability to send bulk ETAs to customers via email or SMS. This can be done easily using the predefined message template. Additionally, if another team member needs to take over, you can transfer all assigned tasks from one driver to another. Lastly, you can unload all assigned tasks, returning them to an unassigned status. The map shows the planned route lines in blue. When drivers start completing tasks, you'll see their progress. You can enable the location history feature on the map. The actual path taken by drivers appears in red, making it easy to track whether they're sticking to the planned route. For scheduled deliveries, we recommend enabling the option that requires drivers to follow the assigned route sequence when completing tasks. This feature can be activated in the Settings mobile app page. On the other hand, for on-demand deliveries, you can allow drivers to re-optimize their routes directly through the driver app. In this mode, drivers may either self-assign tasks or receive bulk task assignments from a dispatcher. Once tasks are assigned, drivers can run route optimization in the driver app based on their live location. Next, I will provide a quick demo showing how to run route optimization using the driver app. Drivers receive their daily tasks directly through the driver app. To access the route optimization feature, open the map page and tap the Route Planner button at the top. From there, select New Route and choose all active tasks to include all assigned tasks. Once the tasks are selected, review the available route options and tap Optimize Route to generate the most efficient route using the driver app. Drivers can then view the optimized route on the map. They follow the route order to complete each job one by one and capture proof of delivery, such as photos and signatures. Today, we cover some essential features of route optimization in Wodely. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.